Mastering keyframes can take your video editing skills to the next level. Have you ever wondered how those smooth animations and transitions are created in videos? Well, today we are going to dive deep into the world of keyframes, giving you the ultimate guide for beginners. Keyframes are essentially markers that define the start and end points of an animation or effect. By manipulating these keyframes, you can control the movement, scale, rotation, opacity, and much more in your videos. The key to mastering keyframes is understanding how to create smooth transitions between these points. Start by setting your initial keyframe at the beginning of the effect you want to create. Then, move along the timeline and adjust the parameters to set your ending keyframe. Play around with the timing and easing effects to create dynamic and engaging animations. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to mastering keyframes. Experiment with different effects, speeds, and transitions to find what works best for your video editing style. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box when it comes to using keyframes in your videos. Now that you have the ultimate guide to mastering keyframes, go ahead and start experimenting with your videos. Whether you're editing a vlog, a tutorial, or a promotional video, keyframes can help take your content to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video to let us know how keyframes have transformed your editing skills.